This is what dropshippers do on TikTok. They have a product, they have a link that they need people to go to buy the product. Then they need to make viral videos to get people to want the product, and then they need to make the videos so good that people surpass the friction of clicking on a link, going to another website and buying the product, putting in your credit card and buying the product like that. They need to make a video that's so good that people go through all of that trouble. It's the same with software, same with getting anybody to leave TikTok. This is the third podcast that I am making on TikTok's newest feature series. I have a smile on my face because I have done so many podcasts about this feature now, but I am really that excited because I learned something last night that I didn't think was possible. And I learned that you can have a video go viral, then make a series, and then put that series on the video. So you don't have to make the series in advance. You can see what's going to perform well and then make the series and put it on the video. If you don't know what a series is, and you might not, if you haven't listened to some of my previous episodes, a series is literally just one video or several videos that you play within TikTok. But in order to play it, you have to pay an amount of money beforehand. And you pay right there in TikTok as well. You pay using your thumbprint or your Face ID or Apple Pay, whatever it is, and the video is pinned to the bottom of one of your free videos or another video on your feed or several of your free videos. So here's the user flow. You see a video that you like, and maybe it's telling you something interesting. It's showing the results of, like, in my case, I actually just finished recording a video series for TikTok on all the settings that I use for Twitter ads, different copy that I've tried, things that I've learned. I talk about them here on the podcast. I think it's useful to show it, to actually show me going through creating a campaign, and then to literally show you ads and creatives that I've run. And I'm going to price this at $4.99. Hopefully I'll have it submitted by the end of the day. So here's the user flow. I put up a video on TikTok about me getting 8.5 million impressions. This is a recent campaign. 8.5 million impressions for $3.50. And how many clicks did I get on that? I think 11,000. Yeah, So I put up a video about that. I don't even need to say, if you want to see how I do this, get the series showing you. You just see at the bottom of that video, there is something called Learn How to Run the Twitter X Ads Glitch. Maybe that's what I'll call the series. And you just see that at the bottom of the video, and you're like, oh, I want to see that. So you click that. You see it's $4.99. You see 4 videos in this series that are blocked by like a lock symbol. So you got to unlock it by paying the $4.99. You see what the names of each video are. Session 1 is the settings. Session 2 is edge cases, things that I've learned. Session 3 is products that I have sold, what I have run the campaigns to. Session 4 is ads that I've run. So you see that, you see how long each video is. I think the first video is like almost 9 minutes, and then the rest of the videos are around 4 to 5 minutes. So you see that, and that's it. You know what you're getting. There's a title for the series, there's a subtitle, so you know what you're getting, and then you pay it. You pay it right there. You pay it right there, and then the videos unlock, and then you watch them. And it's just that easy, that seamless. You don't have to click on a link. You don't have to get off the app. You don't have to enter in your credit card info. You're using, you're using Apple Pay. You're using your thumbprint. You're using whatever. If you're on Android, you're using whatever. You're using your Face ID. So it's just as easy as buying, and it's an in-app purchase. It is an in-app purchase. And then me, the creator, gets the money. Amazing. Game-changing. And so what I learned is, like I said, you can have a video going viral and you're like, oh man, this is going to be big. People are really into this. And you're reading the comments, people are asking you what they want more info on. And it's like, I have a crazy content flow now, so I can turn out content very fast. And so I can make a series in, I don't know, 2 hours. It's less, that satisfies what the people are asking. Sell it for a few dollars on a video that's getting millions of views or hundreds of thousands of views. Come on. It's amazing. 2 hours? It's amazing. Let me tell you my content flow if you're interested, because my productivity is pretty insane. I put out a video every day on TikTok, and it comes out everywhere else using reusevideo.com. Literally comes out simultaneously. It releases the TikTok, comes out on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, and it's amazing. People discover me through each of these platforms. It's so wild because it just comes out everywhere without the TikTok watermark. So I make a video each day on TikTok. I haven't missed a day since starting my channel on November 1st. I do this podcast every day, and then I have a growth hacking newsletter, which I send out every Sunday. That's edwardsturm.com/newsletter. And here's how I make this much content. I have a tool. It is called Descript. I've talked about it before. You record whatever it is that you recorded. You put it into Descript. With one click, you remove all the gaps between words. You remove all the the ums. You remove all of that stuff. Another click, you make your audio sound really good. You take out the background noise. You increase the bass a little bit, but it's all one click. And it uses AI. It knows what your audio should sound like. And then the AI, the generative AI, makes you sound that way. So that's one click. So you remove the gaps and you make it sound good. And then for the podcast, I just listen to it to make sure there are no errors. And that's it. And for TikTok, it's pretty much the same thing. And so that's how I can and if you want to edit it, you're like, I shouldn't have said that. Your voice is transcribed. And instead of editing on a timeline, which is what people have been doing for decades, you edit with a script like a Word document. And so you just delete stuff from the script and then it deletes it from the timeline. And it's very fast. And that's how I'll be able to turn out a series in 2 hours on a video that's going viral for something that people want. And it's crazy. Drop shipping or selling any other type of product, you create the content for the product. And in this case, it's the other way around. People have done this for a while, but the time to create a product has been too long to capitalize off the virality for the most part. You see that people want something, they're interested in something, a video is going viral, your content, your Instagram picture is going viral, your tweet is going viral. And then by the time you make the content that you think these people will want, the virality has stopped. So now you got to make more viral content. But now you can turn out content while the video is going viral, pin it to that viral video, and then have people purchase. So this is crazy. This changes everything. And that is why I am making my third podcast on this specific TikTok feature. Thank you so much for listening to episode 90. Oh my God, 99 of The Edwards Show. I got a big old goofy smile on my face. We're on episode 99 of The Edwards Show. Thank you so much. I have a big day ahead of me, and I'm very excited. I will talk to all of you again tomorrow. Bye now.